Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the social media galaxy to unearth the top 20 trends set to shape the digital realm in 2024. From edutainment to emerging networks, we're in for a thrilling ride. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 1. Edutainment content. In a world where scrolling is the new learning, edutainment is king. Brands are merging education with entertainment to craft content that's as informative as it is engaging. Imagine learning a new language through a catchy tune or understanding complex science concepts via playful animations. It's all about making learning fun and shareable. Number 2. Increased investment in video production. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but a video? It tells the whole story. In 2024, brands are investing more in video production to deliver crisp, captivating narratives. With the right mix of visuals, sound, and storytelling, videos are becoming the cornerstone of brand engagement online. Number 3. Emerging social networks. Beyond the titans of social media, new platforms are blossoming, each with a unique flavor catering to niche audiences. From hobby-centric networks to local community platforms, these fresh faces in the social media sphere are creating new avenues for brands to forge more personal connections with the target audience. Number 4. VR and AR integration. The fusion of virtual and augmented reality with social media is crafting a realm of endless possibilities. Brands are offering immersive experiences, from virtual try-ons to AR-enhanced product previews, making online interaction a sensory-rich adventure. Number 5. Social commerce boom. The line between social media and e-commerce is blurring. Integrated shopping features are making it seamless to go from discovering products to making a purchase without ever leaving the app. It's a one-stop shop digital experience that's making shopping a social affair. Number 6. Authenticity and transparency. The call for authenticity rings loud and clear. Brands are opting for a transparent approach, sharing their values, and taking stands on societal issues. It's about fostering a genuine connection and building a community rooted in trust and shared values. Number 7. User-generated content. Authenticity continues to reign with the rise of user-generated content. Gen Z is at the helm, creating relatable and genuine content that resonates. Brands are encouraging this wave of creativity, showcasing real people and real stories in their marketing narratives. Number 8. SEO on social media. The hashtag era is evolving. SEO on social media is becoming a game changer, helping brands boost their online visibility and engagement. Keywords, optimized descriptions, and SEO-friendly content are the new arsenal for standing out in the crowded social media space. Number 9. Short-form video content. The short-form video saga continues with platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels leading the charge. It's about delivering engaging, bite-sized content that's easy to consume and share, making every second count in the quest for virality. Number 10. Cause-driven marketing. It's not just about selling products, it's about making a difference. Brands are weaving cause-driven narratives into their marketing strategies, resonating with the values of their audiences and driving positive change. It's marketing with a heart and a mission. Number 11. Influencer collaborations. The era of fleeting influencer partnerships is fading. In 2024, we witnessed the dawn of long-term influencer collaborations. Brands are no longer just seeking a quick shout-out but are forming enduring partnerships with influencers who resonate with their values and ethos. This mutual journey of storytelling is not only enriching brand narratives but also fostering a deeper connection with audiences. Number 12. Rise of audio social. The resonance of audio in the social realm is undeniably growing. Platforms like Clubhouse and Twitter Spaces are leading the charge, offering a space for spontaneous and authentic conversations. Whether it's a casual chat or a scheduled discussion with industry experts, the audio social wave is broadening the horizons of engagement. Number 13. Gamification. Social media is turning into a playground. Brands are infusing gaming elements into their social strategies, creating challenges, rewards, and interactive experiences that not only engage but entertain. This playful integration is driving user interaction and creating a buzzworthy social presence. Number 14. Personalization. In the quest for relevance, personalization is the compass. Brands are harnessing the power of data to tailor content, offers, and interactions to individual preferences. It's about making every user feel like the center of the digital universe, enhancing engagement and loyalty. Number 15. AI and machine learning. The smart brains of AI and machine learning are revolutionizing the social landscape. From predictive analytics to automated customer service, these technologies are enabling brands to understand, engage, and delight their audiences in ways never imagined before. Number 16. Micro-communities. The mega forums are giving way to cozy micro-communities. These small, interest-based groups are becoming havens of genuine interaction, where like-minded individuals can dive deep into discussions, share experiences, and foster a sense of belonging. Number 17. Video captions. Captions are no longer an afterthought, they are a ticket to inclusivity and enhanced engagement. By catering to diverse audience needs, including those with hearing impairments or those scrolling in silence, captions are making video content more accessible and engaging. Number 18. Sustainable social media. The green wave is sweeping over social media. Brands are showcasing their sustainability efforts, engaging in eco-conscious campaigns, and fostering discussions around environmental responsibility. It's about building a brand that not only sells but stands for something meaningful. Number 19. Short content. The allure of the fleeting moment continues to charm the social sphere. Short content like stories creates a sense of urgency and real-time engagement, making audiences feel more connected and in the moment. Number 20. Real-time interaction. The digital realm is buzzing with real-time interactions. Live streaming, instant feedback, and real-time chats are bridging the gap between brands and audiences, fostering a sense of community and immediacy that's hard to replicate in any other form. And that wraps up our exploration into the exciting social media trends of 2024. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and staying attuned to these trends will ensure you're not left behind. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button for more insights into the digital world. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.